gonna take the dry texturizing spray and I'm just gonna take little sections. This is obviously gonna give it texture, make it fuller. But I love that this spray actually still makes it doesn't make it look dull, it's still shiny. Okay, so I've got that through there, a little bit through the front here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is take little sections, put this out of the way, take my flat iron, and everybody curls different, obviously. I like to, I'm just gonna show you, just going around. Then I like to go the opposite way. And we don't need it way curled, you know what I mean? So one curl, I'm kind of coming down. Then the next curl, I'm going back, if that makes sense. So it's just every other way. And then of course, the looser the curl you want, the bigger piece of hair section you're going to take. And like I say, we don't want it like way curly, but we want it curled. Okay, so with this one, I'm gonna come down this way and I'm gonna turn the flat iron that way and let that go. Okay, so bring this, flip it. You just kind of glide it through and then just hold it there. Okay, then I'm gonna take a section here on her side. And I always love to go away from the face. So I'm gonna come back this way. So I put the flat iron in front, so I'm going back. In fact, I'm gonna come this way. That's easier for you guys to see. Okay, so I'm going to come back and just twist that and come out. Okay, so, sorry, I'm gonna come this way now. Sorry, I'm trying to see which way you guys can see it the best. Okay, this, I'm coming this way. Okay, and then let that go. Then take another section here. Okay, I'm gonna just move that out of the way just a little bit. There's a little section here, so I'm just gonna come there and do that around. And you can see it just turns this way. Okay, so this, same thing, I'm gonna come on top here and I'm just gonna twist back and then let go. And then the front, remember, I always said go back. So I'm gonna take this and go away from the face. Okay. Take another section here in the front. Are you so pumped? I am so excited. Okay, again, go away from the face. And depending on how curly you want it or how straight you want it is how much, like where you start up here and how you end the bottom. If you want it not as curly, just kind of let those ends, you know, hang out there. And you guys can see the sections that I'm taking. You know, they're a couple inches, not way wide, but just a couple inches. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this one down and around. And it really makes a difference on the flat iron that you have. If you have a flat iron that is doesn't heat real well, then you might have a problem, you know, just gliding through it like that. You know how it looks really easy. It could be catching your hair a little bit. So maybe just make sure your flat iron you have a good one. That will help. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Again, I'm just going to come this way and twist. And then remember, back away from the face, okay? Back away from the face. Try not to let her see in the mirror. Okay, so I'm going to take a little section here. I'm going to come this way, you guys, so you can see it. Okay, back away from the face. Don't look. She's like, wait, I'm looking in the mirror. No.
Promise.
Good girl. Again, back away from the face.
That flat iron is like butter.
It is. It's
a good one.
It is. This is a GHD Platinum. They definitely are a little more money, but I have had this, oh goodness, what, 2-3 years now? I mean, it is, and I use it every single day on my clients, and it's lasted and lasted. So it definitely is worth the money, but I understand, you know what I mean? When it's a chunk, it's kind of hard, but. Okay, so same thing here, just back away from the face. I can't wait for Shaylee to see this. Shaylee's her daughter. Okay, now I'm gonna come around here. There's a few pieces out. Right here, we're just gonna curl those. Okay, and a little section here. Okay, so one more time with the texturizing spray. Just gonna come through these curls. It's what's gonna give it all the body. What's gonna help, there's other stuff in there too. Okay, and then a couple drops of the oil. Rub it in really good. Okay, now with the Epic brush, I'm just gonna comb it through a tiny bit, just so it's soft. Don't wanna mess with it too much. Okay, same with that side. Now what I'm gonna do is just back comb, a little bit up through the top. Now when I put that texture in earlier, this is really gonna help this area. It's gonna, you go in, down, and out like a little C shape. In, down, and out. So I'd say just a couple little areas there that you back comb. Then you can kind of make this smooth. And same up here, just hold this. In, down, and out. Okay, you almost get to see. And if you want to leave yours down and flat, You obviously can, but with this style and the curl, I like a little bit of oomph, poof, volume, whatever you want to call it. I like to spray under where I back comb. Just helps it stay in a little better. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab my Epic comb brush. Just so it smooths it out, and then you can just kind of place the curls back in place. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready to see? Yay. In fact, I gotta see how, okay, yeah, that's darling. Because I'm like, I haven't even seen it from the front. I'm just looking at it from where I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, I just want to make sure the back's good. And if you need to take your fingers and place the curls back where they need to go, then you can. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna come this way.
I really like it.
Do you like?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
Let me show you. Let's see, where, oh, right here. I'm gonna say, where's that mirror so you can see the back?
Perfect.
Is that okay? With
Yes.
just those layers through there?
I like it. That's so much better than what I was doing.
That's so cute. Well, you look adorable, so I love it. And okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Jessica, for letting me do that fun change. I'm going to turn her around one more time so you can see. Okay, awesome. You guys have a good day, and we will chat later. Email list below if you want to jump on that for info and giveaways. So have a good day. Thanks, guys. See ya.